In this lesson, we will state the Aufbau Principle and visualize the order in which orbital energies increase. The Aufbau Principle says, electrons occupy the lowest energy orbitals available before filling higher ones. A practical rule to order orbitals by energy is the n plus L rule. If two orbitals have the same value of n plus L, the one with smaller n is lower in energy. Let's build an n by L grid and follow the diagonal pattern that the n plus L rule produces. Rows will be principal quantum number n, and columns will be s, p, d, and f, which correspond to L equals 0, 1, 2, and 3. We will highlight the diagonals to read off the filling order. 1s, 2s, then 2p and 3s, and so on. Finally, notice how ties are broken. For example, 3p and 4s both have n plus L equal to 4. So 3p is lower because its n is smaller. Next, let's see the same order on an energy ladder. Lower on the ladder means lower energy. We will place each orbital in order from bottom to top. Then we will scan through them quickly to reinforce the sequence. Here is a compact way to write the increasing energy order. 1s, 2s, 2p, 3s, 3p, 4s, 3d for p, 5s for d, 5p, 6s for f, 5d, 6p, 7s, 5f, 6d, 7p. This governs ground state electron configurations. Always fill from lower to higher energy using n plus L to compare and smaller n to break ties. That's the Aufbau Principle and the energy ordering of atomic orbitals.